Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Vlog Every Day in April, day 15. Today's quick topic is going to be how to get started vlogging for beginners. And it's going to be really quick because this is pretty easy. You don't have to overthink it. So we'll get right into it. And this is my personal, my thoughts on the matter. Number one, be sure to choose your topic. So my page here used to be jumbled a couple of years ago. It used to be tech and video games and like Disney stuff. And if you have too many topics, it's too broad. So you might not get a following. But since I have stuck to pretty much technology here and then Disney on a totally separate account, I definitely get more hits. So choose the topic you want to talk about. If you have multiple topics, I'm not saying you can't have a YouTube page that talks about a lot of things, but typically when you stick to one topic, you'll get a bigger audience. So one, choose the topic that you specialize in or that is your expertise. So this channel here is typically technology, cameras, video games, stuff like that. And that's what I try to keep it at. And those are the videos that get the most hits. Number two, this could be number one, but I put it for number two. Create your YouTube account. Obviously, if you're going to be recording videos, you want to upload them somewhere. Everyone uses YouTube. So create your Gmail and then create your YouTube. And I would say create a separate email address for your YouTube. I have a personal email that I use for like my banking and stuff. I don't use that for my Gmail, for my YouTube content. Like I have a Disney Gmail and I have a whole bunch of other Gmails. So I would say create a specific Gmail account for your vlog page. That's number two. So one, create your topic. Two, create your YouTube account and your Gmail account. Get your page all set, fill that out. Number three, which everyone thinks obviously is the most important, is your gear. What do you need to create this? Obviously you need a camera. You need a microphone, you need a tripod. That does not mean when you first start and you're not making money or maybe you don't have a lot of money that your camera has to be this and your tripod has to be this. You do not need a $1,000 camera or a $100 tripod. This is for beginners. Everyone has a vlogging studio in their pocket for the most part. So what do you need for gear? Like I said, a camera. This right here is a camera. We all have a phone. You don't have to buy a brand new camera. Just use your phone to start. Camera right here in your pocket. Everyone has one. Two, a tripod. And I know this is an extra expense, but you do need a tripod. Right now, my camera is a webcam and it's attached to my monitor. But when I use my phone as a camera and I'm handhelding it, I need a tripod. So this tripod here, the iGadgets, I think it was $20. So the camera, the phone you already have, add another 20 bucks, you have yourself a tripod. And then you could do whatever you want, handheld or make it a little tripod. But if you want to stand up and record, then again, you will have to purchase a larger tripod. But that's not the most expensive piece of equipment by far. Number three, you will need, and there's asterisk next to this, you'll need editing software. No one records a perfect video. Like this video right now, I think it took me 30 seconds to get the intro and I'm going to cut it in post when I edit my video. So it's kind of hard to record a video straight through and upload it. But if you own an Apple device, the phones come with iMovie on it and it's free and you can easily edit your videos there and you can upload from your phone. If you have a Mac, iMovie is free there as well. That's what I use. That's what I use to edit my videos. I export them from there and just upload them straight to YouTube. If you do not have a computer or a laptop and all you have is your phone, like I said, I would just use iMovie on your phone and you could easily, quickly edit. You don't have to do fancy edits when you're first starting. It's all right here on your phone. So camera, tripod, editing software, and then this kind of goes hand in hand. Before was having a computer. Like I said, you do not need a computer if you have your phone, because your phone can act as a computer and you can edit your videos on your phone. I can only speak to iPhones. I don't have an Android phone, but I'm sure, probably 99% sure, that Android phones have free software as well. Don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure they do. So what do we got? Topic, Gmail, YouTube account. Gather your gear. You don't have to buy expensive gear to start. Number 4 is upgrade when necessary and when you can afford it. I've done plenty of videos, even my video yesterday, showing you what I use. And I do have a lot of equipment for me, not compared to a professional, but I have over thousands of dollars worth of equipment. I didn't say one day I want to be a vlogger and take $10,000 out of my bank account and buy everything. I didn't do that. I started with the phone. When I had a little money, I bought a new camera, etc., etc. Even these lights that I have now, I've only had them for less than a year. I had been using outside light, natural light, to light these types of videos, and a ring light that I purchased, I think, 2 years after I started recording anything or taking photos. So the main point of this video, which I think is now about 7 minutes, so I'm going to try to cut it short, is how to begin vlogging. If you're a beginner, if you're young, you just don't have that much money yet, you don't want to invest a lot of money. 1, choose the topic of your expertise. 2, set up your YouTube account. 3, get your gear. Like I said, all you really need is your phone, a little tripod like this for your phone, a bigger tripod if you're going to stand up and vlog. You need a computer if you already have one. If you don't, you can use your iPhone to edit your videos and upload them to YouTube. And that's about it, really. It's really not that hard to get started. There are millions and millions of YouTube pages, so it is hard to gain traction. I've been doing this consistently for pretty much 13 months now, and I only have about 350 subs, which I'm hoping to get to 1,000. So like and subscribe, keep doing it. Really appreciate it. But that's pretty much it. I don't want you as a beginner to be intimidated by all of these really, really good vlogging channels. Everything you need to vlog is in your pocket already, your phone. And even if maybe you don't have the money for a little mini tripod, not everybody does, you could just selfie it with your hand. You know, you could do whatever you need to do to record your videos. So that's really all I wanted to talk about on this video is, if you're a beginner watching this, how did I get here? Don't be intimidated. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You may already have the gear you need to record your vlogs. And that's it. If I wasn't clear, just leave any questions below. Like always, I appreciate you liking and subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Keep doing that. And I'll talk to you tomorrow, which according to the calendar is April 16th. So it'll be vlog every day in April, day 16. Talk to you later. Peace, guys.